beloved guests, administrators, faculty members, and students. Thank you for joining the HR International Virtual Training Programs Orientation. My name is Dan Pascual, the Director of HRI. Who is HRI? We have been supporting the student development for over 12 years now, dedicated to organizing worldwide educational and cultural exchange programs to Filipino students. These are a list of our participating and partner schools all throughout the Philippines. Under the HRI business portfolio, we have the international training programs, namely the work and travel for the college students, internships for the graduating and recent graduates, and career development for young professionals. Just to share with you, HRI was able to send 2 successful batches this August of 2021, and we are looking forward to assisting you very soon. So you may send your resumes for assessment to marketing@hrimanila.com. We also have our international study programs for the United States, Canada, and Australia. If you are interested in continuing your studies in any of these countries, contact us and join our orientations for each program. If you would like to study for high school, college, or postgraduate studies in any of the countries mentioned. And during this pandemic, HRI is now offering the virtual training programs. We are offering these as the alternative internships, and we have 3 collections. First, the Travel and Tourism collection. Second, the Hospitality Management collection. And the third one is the Business Industry collection. We are continuing to bridge the gap on live and online, wherein we combine the virtual education and training integration for the future work environment of the students in business, hospitality, travel, and tourism management. Here on the screen, you will find the letter of support of the Commission on Higher Education, supporting the programs of HRI in the educational and cultural exchange programs and our new virtual training programs. First part of our virtual training collection is the Travel and Tourism business, wherein we have 5 programs under this. We have tourism promotions, travel agency, tour guiding, travel services, and events management. Under the tour guiding services and travel services, we are offering the standard program information and pricing, starting with the levels of competency from senior high school work immersion levels 1 and 2. For the college level, we have the basic, intermediate, and advanced with equivalent numbers of 300, 400, and 600. So the duration of our programs are customizable depending on your schedule, and the pricing is listed also here. As you can see, we have the individual rate and the group rate with a discount if we reach the minimum of 30 participants per batch. The travel services program is best for the students in travel, tourism, hospitality, business, marketing, international studies, and communication arts. We also have the tourism promotion services, which focuses on the marketing, promotion, and sale of the tourism offerings of a travel agency. And this is best for the students in travel, tourism, hospitality, business, marketing, advertising, multimedia arts, international studies, and communication art. The travel agency services aims to enhance your knowledge, competencies, and skills on the travel agency business as a travel counselor. And this program is best for the students in travel, tourism, business management, and entrepreneurship. The next part of our collection is the hospitality industry, wherein we have the programs of restaurant operations, events management, front office, and housekeeping services. The events management services focuses on the events activities from small and large-scale events, and we have an international trainer option for this one. And this is best for the students in HRM or hotel and restaurant management, hospitality, business, marketing, and communication arts. And under our international hospitality programs, we have basic operations of front desk, culinary and restaurant, banquets and meetings, housekeeping, social media and customer service operations feedback, seasonal operations and group sales. And on the advanced level, we have the marketing and public relations, financial reports, competitive analysis, and the pricing and revenue management. This is a screenshot of the system that we have, and this is the view of the hotel housekeeping floors and the housekeeping application, wherein you will be able to see the daily activities, and the revenue management section for the front office, and the front desk application with a calendar of the arriving and departing guests. And this is the screenshot for the advanced hospitality system, wherein the students will analyze the market data. The next part of our virtual training program offerings is very special because these are the interactive virtual training programs, and these are all under the business industry collection. We have the programs of retail management, entrepreneurship, accounting, entertainment and sports services, and business management. Under the Business Management Interactive Virtual Training, we are offering visually immersive programs that will teach and give you, the students, the chance to be the boss of your own company. And the students will begin by managing a small facility and grow your business. And you will also be leasing your own space in the system and grow into manufacturing giants. So the students will get to decide what to do if you're the boss. And this is ideal for the students in business management and entrepreneurship. Next is the Retail Management Interactive Virtual Training. These are also visually immersive programs that will teach and give you, the students, the best-selling interactive program of all time. The program teaches the students the business basics that exposes the secrets of retailing. Students will learn the tough business decisions that impact the common shopping experiences, why stores are located where they are, how stores decide to price the products, and more. So this is ideal for students in marketing and entrepreneurship. So you have the product management, marketing, SCM, MIS, store operations, human resources, store design, accounting and finance, and of course, merchandising. And the next exciting program that we have for you is the Entrepreneurship Interactive Virtual Training. These are visually immersive programs that will teach you, the students, the fundamentals of building and growing an entrepreneurial business as a startup, starting from market research, elevator pitch, creating a business plan, raising money, and more. So you may choose from any of the businesses that you see here on the screen. So you may open up your own ice cream shop, your t-shirt printing, a pizza restaurant, bowling alley, fitness center, coffee shop, and more. And what you see now on your screen are the sample programs. On your upper left, we have the auto shop. On the upper right, it's the hair or beauty salon. Lower left is the gym or fitness center. On the lower right, it's the pizza restaurant. So all the students who will be enrolling in our system will start from scratch. You will be provided with a startup fund, and the layout that you will see on your screen will be empty. So you'll be the one to purchase your own equipment, your own tools. You will be hiring your own employees and managing them. And you will also, of course, take care of the customers and the products that you are selling. So again, these are very exciting programs and we can't wait for you to try them. What you see on your screen is the city map of our business simulation. Before you start a business, you will be creating a market research, and this is a screenshot of the survey section wherein you may adjust the questions and also the age, the gender, and the annual income of your respondents. Next, you will be able to name your business and choose your type of business from the ones mentioned earlier. So this is a sample of one business, and the student chose the plumbing business with the minimum startup cost that is approximately $96,000 US, and the minimum building size needed is approximately 2,000 square feet. Before you start with our interactive simulation, you'll be receiving the training so you can research the products, the labor supply, and also the startup funds that coincides with your preferred business. So this is an in-depth look of the program wherein a trainee was able to start up a pizza restaurant. So again, before you start any business, everything is going to be empty in the layout. So you will be purchasing your own equipment, the tools and the products, and you will be arranging them accordingly to a proper business layout. So every time you log into the system, simply click Save in the File dashboard. And in case you feel that you committed a certain error, you may click Actions Journal so that you may review the actions that you have created. And if you feel like you have committed any error, simply restart the lesson. And this is how user-friendly this system is. And what you see here on the lower part of the screen is the overall business rating. So you will be rated by your customers in the system, and the employee quality. So you should be able to monitor the service provided by your employees that you will also hire, and the weight rating, plus your revenue, profit, and available cash on hand. Next exciting program is the Accounting Interactive Virtual Training. So the training highlights, we have the T accounts, debits and credits, journals and ledgers, business worksheets, and financial statements for the basic level, and the intermediate level offers the ratio analysis, managerial accounting level 1 and 2, and forensic accounting level 1, 2, and 3. So I will share with you the information under this program. The accounting students will be working at a computer repair shop, and you will be again purchasing your own equipment, your own tools, products, and the supply. You will be hiring your employees, and this particular trainee hired 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 employees, and business is open for the customers, so your customers will be lining up. This is your actions journal for you again to review every action that you will be taking in the system, and this is the wages for your employees, such as service counter representative, hardware technician, and software technician. And your view of the business simulation, the journal section, wherein you'll be able to see the activity and the debits and credits running balance, the customer invoices, the journal entry, and the source documentation, wherein you'll be able to review and process the customer invoices, the paid checks, pay records, timesheets, and bank statements, plus the important comments and messages from your customers. This is a sample of the paid checks, pay records, bank statements, and the comments and messages to keep your customers satisfied. These are the accounting documents such as the T accounts, journal, general ledger, worksheet, income statement, balance sheet, and the forensic report. Here is the financial statement, wherein you'll be able to see the revenue and the expenses. So you have the wage, rent, cards, marketing, and insurance expenses, and their net income. And the balance sheet with the assets and liabilities plus the owner's equity. And here's the goal complete status that each student will receive when they successfully completed each segment of the program. A student will not be able to move on to the next lesson unless they receive the goal complete status. And here are the virtual training components from the HRI interactive simulation. You'll be receiving a pre-test, reading materials, completing your reading and math quizzes, and we are setting the bar high at 90%. You will also receive the interactive virtual exercises, and you must complete them successfully and receive the goal completed status. Students will also attend the weekly training events and receive the system training and technical support throughout your enrollment at HRI. Here's the management and accounting virtual training learning outcomes. We have the communication skills, logical and critical thinking, quantitative and computer literacy for your assignments and project-based systems training, and the accounting and management skills such as recording and summarizing financial information in your independent work in accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll, and appraising ethical problems. So the trainees must have their own device and internet connection depending on your delivery of instructions for your training. HRI are offering the compatible programs in both synchronous and asynchronous. And we also have our webinars, which are live events with our executive resource speakers and trainers. The next part of the HRI business portfolio under the virtual training programs are the webinars and workshops. We are offering these to the senior high school, college level, faculty members, and young professionals. We have various topics under the leadership, self-management, career talks, business, marketing, basic health and emergency response, hospitality and tourism, and more. Under the business and arts, we have business management, entrepreneurship, human resources, personal development, retail sales, marketing, business development, and career talks. Under the leadership and self-development, we have presenting oneself with excellence, developing strong communication skills, and building on my strength. And here are the list of the exclusive webinars for the business focus: developing an entrepreneurial mindset, resolving conflict resolutions in management, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, investment and portfolio management, the secrets of closing a deal and selling, fraud awareness and prevention, selling effectively on the internet, and Policy Making 101, highlights of policy making process. Each of the webinar topic of your choice will be priced at 300 pesos per student or per person, and we are going to provide a webinar certificate of attendance. I would like to invite you to the international training programs of the HR International Work Experience USA for college students, first year to fourth year, ages 18 to 27 years old. If you're willing to work and travel, learn new skills, improve your communication, and become a cultural ambassador, you will be able to get an opportunity to meet with our partner companies in hotels, restaurants, theme parks, retail stores, and more, and receive a job offer before you apply for a US visa with a pay rate that starts at $7.25 per hour up to $14 per hour. So again, we have a separate orientation for this one. There will be program fees, and reminder, this is not intended for permanent employment in the US, but it is a very exciting opportunity, a summer that you will never forget. And for the HRI Internship USA and Australia, this program is open to graduating candidates and recent graduates. So this is a hands-on training and work experience in your field. Learn international business practices and standards. You'll receive a pre-arranged host company, receive career advice and interview skills training. And the field of study is in the hospitality and tourism, the sciences, engineering, mathematics, and more. So again, we are able to send 2 batches this August of 2021 for the hospitality and tourism. And there are a lot of students who were recently hired by our US partners. So we are again inviting you, your friends and relatives whom you think might be interested and qualified with this program.
We are looking forward to assisting your students with their virtual training needs. For partnership, inquiries, and resume submission, you may contact our team via email at vtp@hrmanila.com or call 0917-847-7949 and 0933-853-2805 or message us at Facebook at HRI Manila. Thank you very much. Choose the best and #choose HRI.